We interrupt this previously scheduled program to bring you the following Irish edition.
Alright guys, in the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, we've come up with a cocktail that we're going to make, and it's called the Irish Kilt. Irish Kilt has a long backstory, a long history of...
Yeah, we're not doing that. No one cares. We're just going straight to the drink.
Oh, that's what we're doing?
That's what we're doing.
Okay.
Move along.
So, yeah, y'all can go ahead and look that up yourselves. Apparently, we're not going to talk about it. But it does include these ingredients. So we've got Irish whiskey, Scotch, orange bitters, lemon juice, simple syrup, and I think it's going to make a tasty cocktail.
It's got to.
It has to.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Bam.
What
do you need?
We're decked out in our Irish garb today.
Yes. So this is a special edition. We're not doing our normal Thursday Manhattan edition. This is going to be all St. Patrick's Day related.
Correct.
So what do we got?
So we need... so this is going to be a doubled recipe since I'm making a cocktail for both of us.
Okay.
So if you guys want to make one of these at home, the recipe will be down in the description, but it's going to be half of everything that I'm saying here. So we're going to do 4 ounces of Irish whiskey.
Followed up by 2 ounces of Scotch whiskey. We have 2 ounces of simple syrup. 2 ounces of lemon juice.
Freshly squeezed. 6 dashes of orange bitters. Fill our shaker tin with ice.
Shaker tin.
Shaker tin. Pour in our cocktail, and we shake. Apparently, I just poured on my shoulder. We are going to strain into our coops. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Slainte.
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Oh, that's tasty.
That's really good.
And refreshing at that.
It's sweet. It's tart. I think the Scotch rounds it out a bit. Smooths it out.
It does.
But it is tasty. On the bunghole scale, I'm going to go ahead and give this an 11.
Pretty sure we're not allowed to do that, but that's on our bylaws that we only use American whiskeys and on the bunghole
That's why
scale.
this one gets an exemption.
Okay.
And it also gets an 11.
Because it's on St. Patrick's Day, it's an 11. 11 on the bunghole.
Yes. What St. Patrick's Day episode would be complete without Guinness?
Yeah, this particular one was brewed here in Maryland at the Guinness Brewery.
Save some room. Oh yeah. Right down the street.
Yep.
One for you. One for me. One chug. Nobody knows
these fools. Wow, we're breaking all the rules today.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
So good. Like chocolate milk.
When it hits your lips, it's just so good.
It is good.
Well, guys, I think that does it.
That does it for a special St. Patrick's Day edition. We enjoyed it.
I feel very sloppy right now.
Yeah, look at mine. This is how Irish people do it. It all goes in the mouth, not on the bar.
Yeah. No, that's never mind. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Be safe.
Be safe, please.
Likes and subscribe. Love you guys. Cheers.
Cilantro.